In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a PDF bank statement into Xero step by step. If you've tried uploading a PDF directly and realized Xero doesn't accept it, don't worry. There's a simple workaround that makes the process quick and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll know the easiest way to get your bank transactions into Xero without manual data entry. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Xero guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's clear up something important. Xero does not directly import PDF bank statements. That means if you try to upload a raw PDF file from your bank, it usually won't work. Xero supports formats like CSV, OFX, QIF, and QBO instead. So the key step is converting your PDF into one of these supported formats. Now here's the super simple workaround using Xero's built-in converter, which is the easiest option if your bank is supported. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down, select Bank Accounts. You'll now see a list of your connected bank accounts inside Xero. Choose the bank account where you want to import the statement. On that account panel, look for the option that says Import a Statement. Click on it. This opens the bank statement import screen. On this page, you may see a link or message that says something like Need to convert a PDF. If your bank is supported by Xero's conversion tool, you'll be able to upload your PDF directly here. Go ahead and select your PDF bank statement file from your computer. Once uploaded, Xero will automatically convert the PDF into a compatible format behind the scenes. This saves you from using third-party software or manually editing spreadsheets. After the conversion is complete, Xero will display a preview of the transactions. Carefully review the dates, descriptions, and amounts to make sure everything looks correct. If everything matches your original statement, confirm the import. Xero will then bring all those transactions into your bank feed, where you can reconcile them as usual. That's it. Your PDF bank statement has now been successfully imported using Xero's built-in conversion feature. If your bank isn't supported and you don't see the PDF conversion option, your alternative is to use a secure PDF to CSV converter. After converting the file to CSV, return to the same Import a Statement page, upload the converted file, map the columns correctly, such as date, description, debit, and credit, and then complete the import. The mapping step is very important to ensure your transactions appear accurately in Xero. And that's the complete process. As a quick recap, Xero doesn't directly accept PDFs, but you can use the built-in converter if available, or convert the file to CSV and upload it manually. Both methods only take a few minutes and save you from typing in transactions one by one. I hope this made the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.